A shout out again. Yeah, man. So, what's happening is when you're working on something and it's not working out. It's like you put in all your focus, all your time, all your energy, and it's not working out. So, what's been going on is you're pushing too hard, but you're pushing in, I would say, the opposite direction. So it's like you're pushing yourself further away from the situation instead of going forward to the situation. So the way how you do this is like you have to go within yourself to uplift yourself. Sorry, you see what I mean? And you gotta find you within you with that joy and love that you have for yourself, so you can manifest it physically. So, understanding what I'm trying to say, you have to cleanse yourself and go spiritually for the better good, the better good of you. So the things that you would want to experience are what you're working on. It will manifest easier because you're focusing your time on material things. Why you don't go within spiritually? You are all abundance, all of us. We are all. But what's going on is because we're setting our mind frame on material stuff and not looking at the bigger picture. It would be, and it say, as you know, how could you offer, I would say, heaven offer to you and you refuse it? You see what I mean? If you have heaven, you have everything. You see what I mean? And then whatever from in the heavens, you could get a little bit of it, which is so much here. You see what I mean? So, sometimes we're working on something and we're pushing too hard because our focus is not at the right place. Our alignment is not on time. You know what I'm saying? We gotta find that balance, you know what I mean? That point, you know what I mean, where we're gonna say, okay, everything line up, the universe, understand. Remember, we're like a computer. You know what I'm saying? Just like how the universe collect all information. You see, I mean, that's why man come up with these ideas and know how these things work. You know what I mean? Our body, the spirit, the soul, the chakras. You understand what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Having, our spiritual, living in having an experience in a human body. So if you take yourself into your spiritual world, then your spiritual world is within your body. So whatever is in the dark have to come out in the light. It's just plain and simple. So the more focused you are and connect back with your spiritual self, then everything becomes one. And it's a lot of understanding, but day and day, you know what I mean, you'll gradually see what I'm talking about. Also, I put some other channels on my channel, so you could, probably take a little insight of what's going on, and pick whatever you want to pick, listen to whatever you want to listen, and just the whole focus. You know what I'm saying? So peace, and I'm out until next time. Bless.